How do architects use scale factor in building design? Have you ever wondered how architects turn their big ideas into manageable designs? One of the key tools they use is the scale factor. This concept helps architects create accurate representations of buildings and spaces, whether on paper or in digital formats. Since real buildings are often too large to draw at full size, architects apply a scale factor, which is a ratio that reduces actual dimensions to a size that is easier to work with. For instance, a scale factor of 1 to 50 means that 1 unit on the drawing equals 50 units in real life. This technique allows architects to produce floor plans, elevations, and sections that fit on standard sheets while keeping everything proportional. To understand scale factor better, think of it as a number that changes the size of a shape while keeping its proportions the same. This idea is closely linked to geometric similarity, where shapes maintain the same but vary in size. In architecture, this ensures that angles, shapes, and spatial relationships remain as accurate, even when the design is scaled down. Architects use scale factors in several practical ways. First, they visualize their designs clearly by creating scaled drawings and physical models. This helps clients, builders, and engineers understand the project better. Second, scale factors allow architects to communicate spatial relationships and proportions effectively. This way, everyone involved can see how different parts of the building fit together. Additionally, architects can identify potential design issues early by examining scaled models or drawings before construction starts. This proactive approach saves time and money. They also coordinate with engineers and contractors by providing precise measurements that guide the construction process. Furthermore, many building codes and regulations requiring scaled drawings for approval, making scale factors essential for compliance. Architectural scales can vary based on the level of detail needed. Common scales include 1/4 inch representing 1 foot, which corresponds to a 1 to 48 ratio for floor plans. For more detailed sections, architects might use a scale of 1 inch to 1 foot. By applying these scale factors, architects ensure that every element, from walls and doors to fixtures and furniture, is accurately represented in relation to the entire building. In essence, the scale factor is a fundamental tool in architecture. It helps translate large, complex structures into manageable drawings and models while preserving the shape, angles, and proportions of the design. This makes planning, communication, and construction much more effective.